Ever wondered how to make the most of your greenhouse gardening? Greenhouse gardening is a unique and rewarding experience, allowing us to extend growing seasons and protect plants. It's beneficial for our environment, our health, and our taste buds. Stay tuned as we reveal the top 5 tips for greenhouse gardening. Tip number 1, choose the right location for your greenhouse. The perfect spot allows for abundant sunlight and boasts good drainage. Sunlight is the key to plant growth, while proper drainage prevents waterlogging. Getting the location right is your first step to successful greenhouse gardening. Moving on to tip number 2, control the climate within your greenhouse. Ensuring the right temperature and humidity is crucial. Regulate these factors using ventilation systems, shading techniques, and heaters. Remember, the right climate is key to your plant's survival. Our third tip, water your plants properly. In a greenhouse, hydration is key, but remember, balance is crucial. Overwatering can drown roots, while underwatering leaves plants parched. So learn your plant's needs and water accordingly. Water is life for your plants, so make sure you're giving them just the right amount. Tip 4, keep the pests away. Prevention is key, so regularly check your plants for signs of trouble. Opt for natural methods like introducing beneficial insects or using plant-based repellents. If necessary, resort to chemical pesticides. A pest-free greenhouse equals healthy, thriving plants. And finally, tip number 5, maintain your greenhouse regularly. This involves cleaning, checking for damages, and ensuring all systems are functioning well. Regular maintenance is key to a thriving, productive garden. Regular maintenance will keep your greenhouse in top shape for years to come. So, there you have it, our top 5 tips for successful greenhouse gardening. Whether it's selecting the right location, mastering climate control, watering judiciously, managing pests, or performing regular maintenance, these strategies are key to flourishing plants. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!